Hello friends, Science Entrance Academy brings an exciting video to you. Hope you enjoyed our previous videos on fashion design, scope in fashion design arena, and career opportunities in it for you. If you have not seen them already, please watch them to understand this impressive world of fashion designing better. Now, here's the thing, not everyone who loves fashion design would want to be a fashion designer. Sounds bizarre. No, let me explain. Some aspirants who want to pursue fashion design might be looking to get into styling and not particularly to the core of designing part. Similarly, some aspirants might consider opening up their own boutiques or start their own fashion label or a brand. And there will be some fashion designers who are crazy about the core designing part and would want to pursue it even as a career option. Sounds fair. But the real problem begins where every student ends up pursuing the same fashion design course, even though when they have different career aspirations. So regardless of your styling aspirations, you will learn the same fashion design course. Likewise, one might want to open a boutique, but will still pursue fashion design course because of lack of available options. The question is, do we have courses to cater the needs of fashion aspirants? To tackle this problem, TTA has diverse courses on unique concept called Technician Manager Entrepreneur. For people who are more inclined towards a technician's job, that is more interested in doing the job themselves, there will be a technician's course. For people who are more inclined towards a manager's job, that is more interested in taking up managerial responsibilities and not get involved in a technical job, there will be a manager's course. For people who are more inclined towards entrepreneurial role, that is more interested in running their own business, there will be an entrepreneur's course. In a nutshell, people interested in technical course would go for fashion designing. People interested in managerial course would go for fashion styling. People interested in entrepreneurial course would go for fashion boutique management course. Technician, manager, entrepreneur perspective and philosophy is gaining popularity because of its industry relevance and scope. These courses like fashion design, fashion styling, and fashion boutique management are designed carefully considering the needs of every fashion aspirant and also keeping in mind the needs of the industry. If you want to become a fashion designer, as in an artist or a technician, you can choose a fashion design course. Similarly, if you want to become a fashion stylist, as in a manager, you can choose a fashion styling course to learn various aspects of styling and image design. Likewise, if you choose a fashion boutique management course, the course would entail different elements like marketing, sales, leadership, hiring, firing, finance, training, management, operations, branding, etc. So in a nutshell, you would learn everything from fundamentals of running the business to growing the business and taking it to the next level. Next time you are thinking of becoming a fashion designer, ask yourself a question. Do you want to become a technician or a manager or an entrepreneur? In short, do you want to pursue a fashion designing course and get into a job? Or fashion styling course to have a glamorous and a highly paid career? Or fashion boutique management course to start, run and grow your own fashion business profitably and successfully?
Stay tuned for more videos. To read interesting conversations or share your experience or throw in a question, leave a comment below the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our video so that you're notified when we release a new one. If you think this might help your friend, family or colleague, make sure you share the video.